Slid or log drum. This is really more of a xylophone than a drum. It is a rectangular closed wood box where various length cuts on one side have actually produced keys of different lengths and tones. Its cavity provides a warm sound, thus favoring contact with the water element. It is simple to play due to the fact that it does not have an obvious tonal organization and has reasonably couple of notes. It is played either with soft mallets, evoking water and air, or with harder ones evoking fire and earth, according to the quality of sound you want. It does not require the gamer to develop melodies. Schlagwork has actually developed a large moved drum, Big Bomb, 120 cm long with a much deeper sound, enough time for a kid to lie down on. Initially from Cameroon, however recently established in Europe.